Happy New Year, everyone. I know it's been a long time since I have made a video, so I just want to do a quick video update on what's going on. I plan on, in 2023, making more watches, clocks, jewelry repair videos. I do have a couple of clocks that I have on my bench that I'm working on that I will videotape. I know some people have been asking about the OG Mantle clock, the second part of that. Unfortunately, I lost all that footage, so I do not have that video available. I am hoping to get another one through the shop doors, but until that happens, we have to hold off on that. But I will make sure that I do a full disassemble of the movement and just show you how I put it back together. I know there's a question about weights, which side do the weights go on? So I'll cover all that as soon as I get another one through the shop door. Hopefully that'll be soon, but I do have like I said, some about 5 clocks that I'm going to be videotaping. This one right here that you're looking at is an A400. Last person that worked on it looks like his name is Tom. Not too sure why Tom decided to carve his name in the back of that, and also why he decided to label the part of the plates where the going barrels go, but I don't know. He botched this up. So I have that, Seth Thomas. I also have another Hermele movement, this one being the 351-021, which I will be servicing. Also, another Hermele. I have the, see if I get that focused, 1051.030A, which we will be disassembling, putting back together. It's got that automatic, the autocorrect, so all the other ones. I also have this clock from England that I will be doing a full repair on. I believe either the mainspring is broken on this. I think on the strike side, chime side, strike side, that is, or it's just off the arbor. I also have a good old Regula movement that came in, a cuckoo clock movement that came in pieces. So I have to service that and put that back together. So that will be another video. But I just wanted to hop on here really quick because I have been neglecting my YouTube channel and haven't been really posting anything, but I've been trying to be good at answering any kind of questions that everybody has. But I will make sure that I am posting more often. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please do. Click the like button, turn on the notifications, leave comments, whatever you want to do. But yes, I will be posting more videos, so stay tuned. Thanks, everyone. Have a happy new year.